Gum. That's delicious. Mmm. That's going to be great, Coden. You're better at that than I am. You want some help? You want help? Here, you can pass this to me. You gonna do it? Wow, you're brilliant. Well done. Oh, that is so gross. There's gum in there, trail mix, pineapple, cantaloupe, grapes, dried cherries, and ranch dressing. And you have gum in your mouth. Delicious.